Okay guys, today we are gonna learn about position in CSS, the most important thing and you have to know about it. We have five things in position. The first one is sticky. At the first let's learn sticky. If we choose position sticky, when this box reaches at the top or at the bottom, it sticks and stay visible. Now let's see. Position into sticky, and if I specify the top of this into 0, when the box reaches at the top it sticks and stay visible. Look, but it doesn't stay or stay visible at the bottom. For this reason we have to write bottom into 0. Now look, when it reaches at the top it is sticky and stay visible, but when it comes at the bottom it sticks and stay visible. Now let's learn about fixed position. If you choose position into fixed, your box always stick. Even if you scroll, it stays in place. Look, now it isn't fixed. If I choose position into fixed and specify the destination of this, for example, top into 70 pixel and left into 50 pixel. Now it comes here and it always fixed even if you scroll your web page. This is the fixed position. Static position mean by default position. If you choose position into static, your box or your elements takes the default position and you cannot specify bottom, right, left or top. For example, position into static, it doesn't have anything on that element because it's default position. And if I choose top, right or bottom, whatever, it doesn't work because position static is default position. If you choose position of this box into relative, it moves visually wherever you want, top, right, bottom, left, wherever you want. But the other elements thinks that this element exists at the first spot, at the original spot, and it moves visually. Now let's see position into relative, and I wanna bring this into right. If you bring your element into right and relative position, you have to specify the left. For example, 20 pixel. It comes 20 pixel to the right, and I wanna bring it into bottom. For bottom, you should choose top. For example, 50 pixel. It comes to the bottom. This relative position, let me give you an real life example. Imagine that you are sitting in a chair and you move your chair 20 pixel or 20 centimeter to the right. The people understand your first spot and no one can sit there. This relative position. If you choose position into absolute of this box will become free and you can bring or you can go everywhere you want. The first spot is gone. Now let's see position into absolute and let's specify the top of this into 10 pixel. Now it comes here 10 pixel. Let's bring it at the right. For example, 50 pixel. It comes 50 pixel at the right. Let me give you a real life example. Imagine that you sit on a chair and you move your chair 10 centimeter in absolute position. Your first spot is gone and no one understands your first spot. And if someone wanna sit at your first spot, he can. And you will become free. Wherever you want, you can go. This absolute position. Thank you guys for your attention and don't forget to like and subscribe your channel.